everybody, it's Dr. Brandy Myers, founder of Wealthy Woman Consultants, where we help men and women build wealth, fix credit, structure businesses, and elevate their lives with real strategy. Listen, too many people are out here surviving when they were meant to build generational wealth. That's why I created an ecosystem designed to help you go from stress and stuck to structure in business. At Wealthy Woman Consultants, we specialize in credit restoration, business funding, business setup, tax solution, wealth strategy, and financial empowerment. Whether you're trying to remove negative items from your credit and start a business, scale your income, or position yourself for funding, we're here to help you make power moves the right way. This isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about legacy. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. I've learned that when you move with strategy, discipline, and faith, your entire life can change. So if you're ready to stop playing small and start building like a boss, guess what? Book your consultation today. This is the season to reset, rebuild, rise. Welcome to Wealthy Woman Consultants, where power meets profit. I'm Dr. Brandy Myers.